We're still seeing lots of cloud cover overhead from our Riverview Community Bank camera. 56 degrees in Portland, slowly warming up, but we have seen some breaks in the clouds, and we're going to see more of that later on this morning. The radar is looking pretty clean. We're not seeing as much shower activity, if any, maybe a couple of showers up on the Cascades, but besides that, we are really starting to dry out across the region, and next comes the sunshine. Temperatures across the Portland metro and areas nearby sitting in the 50s. Only one spot right now actually in the 40s, and that's Sandy, but we had a handful of locations start off in the 40s. So slowly but surely we're warming up. Going to remain fairly cool along the coast today. We are expecting a decent amount of sunshine, but temps will only make it into the low to mid 60s with the northwest wind at about 10 to 15 miles per hour. Then we head inland, and we're expecting temps to climb into the upper 60s and low 70s, so it will be much more comfortable later on this afternoon and evening once that sunshine emerges. But right now, yep, definitely a cool morning across the region. Let's head into the Columbia River Gorge. Going to be a little bit cooler along the west end than the east end, with highs in the upper 60s from Multnomah Falls to Cascade Locks and low 70s from Hood River to the Dalles. Mount Hood area going to be mostly dry today. Partly cloudy skies expected with highs in the 50s and low 60s from Welch's to Timberline Lodge. And heading out to central and eastern Oregon, could see a few more showers in the higher elevations, but besides that, high temperatures should range between the 60s and low 70s. Pendleton should be the warm spot at about 70 today. Let's take a look at the 7-day forecast. We're expecting a high of about 70 in Portland today, back into the mid 80s on Sunday. Take a look at Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Those look like they're going to be the warmest days over the next 7 days or so. Big old ridge of high pressure is going to be building over the west coast, and we're expecting highs in the upper 80s on Monday and maybe the mid 90s Tuesday and Wednesday. Putting things into perspective, we've only hit the upper 80s so far this year in Portland, and we're expecting to be at least several degrees above that mark.